Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the iPhone 13.
Guess what time is it? What time is it work today? Guess what time is it work today?
Cut his finger off.
Got the finger.
Welcome to the home of entertainment. Are you ready to be entertained? Are you ready to buy this? Book your Just for Tops right now at Bunnings.com.
So this is the camera test. Got portrait, pano, photo, video, cinematic, the slow-mo and time-lapse. So this one's is slow-mo. So far, I'm loving the camera. I love that they still have portrait mode. I used to love the stage light as well in my other phone. It's an amazing camera. So I'm loving cinematic. This is the front camera. I really like it, I do. So this is where the SIM card slot is. So it's time to do a sound test. So I thought I'd do a low light test. Some is with the flash on and some was without. This was obviously without. Some were taken in 30 frames per second and some were taken in 60.
Anytime you're staying in a place that's full of creative types just means it's full of wanks, doesn't it?
Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.